Hello student, in this lesson we will learn how to multiply positive and negative numbers using simple rules. So let's begin with this question. So what is the result of minus 3 multiplied by 2 and also minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 and 5 multiplied by minus 4. Why do two negative numbers give a positive result? So let's understand this step by step, and also for the multiplying the positive numbers. Okay, so now what is the sign rules? First of all, we have to understand this rule or these rules. We have two rules for the same signs. So if the numbers or the integers have the same signs, the result will be positive. And if the signs are different, the result of the multiplication will be negative. Okay, so we have to explain more. For example, or let's explain the rules. So this sign, the same sign, for example, here, as you can see here, so this is the negative multiplied by negative equal positive, and positive multiplied by positive equal positive. So here the same sign, here the same sign, so the result or so the multiplication will be positive. Now for the second one is different signs. So for example, negative multiplied by positive equal negative, and positive multiplied by negative equal negative. So this is the rules that we have to understand, and the solution or how to calculate is simple. So the method to calculate the multiplication of two integers is to follow these steps. First one is ignore the signs, which mean multiply numbers, and second is apply the sign rule that we explained before. Okay, for example here 3 multiplied by 4, these two numbers are positive, so the result will be positive. 3 multiplied by 4 equal plus 12, and minus 5 multiplied by minus 2, here the two numbers are negatives, which means they have the same sign, so we multiply the numbers here, 5 multiplied by 2, and here plus because we use the sign rule, minus multiplied by minus equal plus, equal plus 10, and plus 10 equal 10. The second example is 6, or the third, 6 by 6, or 6 multiplied by 6 equal plus 6 multiplied by 6 equal 36 or plus 36. And the second one, or the last one in these examples, is minus 10 multiplied by minus 7. These two numbers are negatives, so the result will be positive, because they have the same sign, and we get here plus 70 or 70. Okay, so this is for the example 1 about the same signs. Now for the example 2 about different signs. For example, minus 3 multiplied by 4 equal multiply 3 by 4, and here the sign will be negative because they have the different sign. We get here minus 12. For the next one, 5 multiplied by minus 2 equal minus negative number. 5 multiplied by 2 equal minus 10. And minus 4 multiplied by 7 equal minus 4 multiplied by 7 equal minus 28. And the last one, 10 multiplied by minus 8 equal 10 multiplied by 8. And here the sign is negative because they have a different sign, and the result will be minus 80. So this is for the example 2, example 1 and example 2. I hope that you understand the rule. It's simple, just you have to practice a little bit. And now let's do a practice example. So you have here for operation, just apply the rule and give the result. So take a little bit, then we will explain the solution. Alright, so for the solution, okay, so for example, for the first one, so we have here 4 multiplied by minus 3. So here 4 is plus multiplied by minus equal minus, which means here we write minus and we multiply the numbers. Let's give the negative number is minus 12. The second one is we use the same rule because here negative multiplied by positive, so we keep the sign negative and we multiply two numbers. 6 multiplied by 2 equal minus also 12, the same result. For the third one, so minus multiplied by minus, here the rule is minus multiplied by minus equal plus, equal here positive number. Okay, so minus okay, have to write here minus, okay, okay, so I have to write not minus, I'm sorry, it's plus. So 5 multiplied by 4 equal plus 20, and that's give 20. The last one is 0 or 7 multiplied by 0. So 7 multiplied by 0 equal 0 multiplied by 7, and that's give 0. Okay, another example here. For example, minus 8 multiplied by 0 equal minus 8 multiplied by 0, and 0 multiplied by 8 equal minus 0, and minus 0 equal 0. Okay, so it's simple to multiply the integers or the numbers. Just keep the rule. So the sign rule, or remember that same signs give a positive result and different signs give a negative result. So in the next lesson we will divide integers. So thank you for watching, and if you have some question, comment or give your feedback. Thank you.